प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अभी सिडनी डायलॉग कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करने वाले हैं। पीएम मोदी ने खुद ट्वीट करके इस बात की जानकारी दी है। सिडनी डायलॉग के संबोधन में पीएम मोदी देश में टेक्नोलॉजी के विकास और क्रांति के विषय पर अपने विचार दुनिया के सामने रखेंगे। सिडनी डायलॉग की शुरुआत ऑस्ट्रेलिया के प्रधानमंत्री स्कॉट मॉरिसन के भाषण के साथ होगी। सिडनी डायलॉग एक ऑस्ट्रेलियाई स्ट्रेटेजिक पॉलिसी इंस्टीट्यूशन की तरफ से करवाया जाता है और इस वक्त स्कॉट मॉरिसन बोल रहे हैं। आपको सीधे कार्यक्रम में लिए चलते हैं।
India is already a major technology power. It's a global research and development hub for high-tech industries like medical equipment and aerospace, automotive, biotechnology and computation. It is a vibrant entrepreneurial scene that's producing an untold number of innovations, attracting significant foreign investment in R&D from all around the world. And I have no doubt that India's influence and leadership in this space will grow even more with time. Technology is at the forefront of the comprehensive strategic partnership which we have with Prime Minister Modi, which I signed together with him last year. Already we're making great progress in so many areas, like critical and emerging technologies, critical minerals, cybersecurity, the digital economy, space and science, technology and research, and so much more. We're also working together to ensure global technology rules and norms reflect shared values in support of a stable, open and prosperous region here in the Indo-Pacific. So it's an honour for me. It's an honour for Australia that Prime Minister Modi is addressing this Sydney dialogue today. Prime Minister Modi is a passionate advocate for technology. He is a great leader and he's a great friend of Australia and mine. So it gives me great pleasure to welcome my friend, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to the virtual stage. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
My dear friend, Prime Minister Scott Morrison, friends, Namaskar. It is a great honor for the people of India that you have invited me to deliver the keynote at the inaugural Sydney Dialogue. I see this as a recognition of India's central role in the Indo-Pacific region and in the emerging digital world. It is also a tribute to the comprehensive strategic partnership between our two countries, a force of good for the region and the world. I congratulate the Sydney Dialogue for its focus on emerging critical and cyber technologies. Friends, we are in a time of change that happens once in an era. The digital age is changing everything around us. It has redefined politics, economy, and society. It is raising new questions on sovereignty, governance, ethics, law, rights, and security. It is reshaping international competition, power, and leadership. It has ushered in a new era of opportunities for progress and prosperity. But we also face new risks and new forms of conflicts across diverse threats from seabed to cyber to space. Technology has already become a major instrument of global competition and key to shaping the future international order. Technology and data are becoming new weapons. The biggest strength of democracy is openness. At the same time, we should not allow a few vested interests to misuse this openness. Friends, as a democracy and a digital leader, India is ready to work with partners for our shared prosperity and security.
इंडिया टीवी हर वक्त हर जगह डाउनलोड करने के लिए सर्च करें इंडिया टीवी न्यूज गूगल प्ले स्टोर या ऐप स्टोर पर।